students. Today we will start the remaining problems of the vector algebra chapter. Next, 22nd problem. If A and B and C be three non-zero vectors, no two of which are collinear, any two not collinear, and condition if the vector A plus 2B is collinear with C. So what are the collinear definition? Collinear definition is A and B are two vectors are collinear. What is the condition? That implies B is equal to some scalar into vector. Some scalar into vector. So here A plus 2B is collinear with C. So that implies A plus 2B collinear with C means some scalar into that vector. Okay, this is first equation. From this, let it be C is equal to 1 by lambda into A plus 2 by lambda into B. Lambda takes it. And one more vector's condition. B plus 3C is collinear with C. B plus 3C is collinear with C vector. That also take another scalar with C. Right? So in C place, see this one. So with A, collinear with A. Right? B plus 3C is collinear with A. That implies B plus 3C is equal to T into A. Therefore, C plus substitute this one. P plus 3 times of 1 by lambda into A plus 2 by lambda into B is equal to T into A. T take this side. 3A by lambda minus T by A plus B plus 6 by lambda into B is equal to 0. Here A comma 3 by lambda minus 1 is equal plus B comma 1 plus 6 by lambda is equal to 0. So compare on both sides. A quotient not there, B quotient also, B also not there. Therefore, compare 3 by lambda minus 1 is equal to 0 and okay, this is T. 3 by lambda minus T is equal to 0 and 1 plus 6 by lambda is equal to 0. Therefore, 6 by lambda is equal to minus 1. Lambda is equal to minus 6. This is the lambda value. What we find? A plus 2B plus 6C value. A plus 2B plus 6C value. A plus 2B is equal to lambda C. A plus 2B is equal to lambda C. Therefore, lambda C plus 6C. Lambda value minus 6. So, minus 6C plus 6C is equal to 0. Right? So, A plus 2B plus 6C value is equal to how much? 0. Fourth option is the correct answer. Next, 23rd. A plus B, modulus of A plus B is equal to modulus of A minus B. Then A and B are parallel, perpendicular, angle between the vectors is 45 and angle between the vectors is 60 options are there. So both sides is squaring on both sides, expand. Modulus A whole square is equal to A plus B into A plus B. That formula can apply. Both sides expand A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. We get remaining values after cancellation. A dot B. A dot B is equal to 0 means they are perpendicular. Do this one. And next 24. R bar dot 1 vector plus 3 is equal to 0 and R bar dot 1 vector is equal to minus 5 is equal to 0. Including angle, then the value of P. Then the value of P. So we know R bar dot N bar is equal to T1, R bar dot N2 bar is equal to T2. Angle between two planes formula. Cos theta is equal to N1 bar into N2 bar divided by N1 modulus of N1 bar into modulus of N2 bar. This is angle between two vectors. So, cos pi by 3 angle between two vectors given, angle between the two planes. Then N1 place substitute first R bar dot Pi minus J plus 2K. Pi minus 2J, Pi minus J plus 2K. Into N2. N2 means 2I minus Pj minus k divided by modulus into square root of square root of p square plus 1 plus 4. Next this one 4 plus p square plus 1 cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value cos 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiply 2p product I dot I z dot like minus p minus 2 divided by this is p square plus 5. This one p square plus 5. Right? So p square plus 5 whole square and that whole square cancel. 1 by 2 3p minus 2 divided by p square plus 5. Cross multiply p square plus 5 is equal to 4p minus 6p minus 4 p square minus 6p plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. P square minus 6p plus 9 is equal to 0. What are the factors? 9. This value minus 3p plus 9 is equal to 0. P common. P minus 3 plus minus 3 common. P minus 3. Therefore, P minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. P is equal to 3. So, P value how much? 3. Fourth option is the correct answer. 25. These are the theory model. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. A plus B plus whole square also is equal to 0. And expand A square plus B square plus C square. And already given A square means modulus A square, modulus B square, modulus C square. The value given, substitute those values. Okay. And find out A dot B, B dot C, and C dot D. Do this homework. Option 4 is the correct answer. Minus 30. Next, 26. If A bar and B bar are two vectors of magnitude 2, each included an angle 60 degrees, then angle between A bar and A plus B. A and B are two vectors of magnitude 2. So modulus A, modulus B, magnitude is equal to 2 and incline at an angle 60 degrees. Okay, A and B, angle between A bar and B bar is equal to 60 degrees. Then angle between A bar and A plus B bar. Okay. First of all, A dot B is equal to A bar dot B bar, angle between the two vectors 60 degrees. Okay. A dot B is equal to modulus 2 into 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. So A dot B value is equal to 2. Now A dot A plus B. A dot A plus B is written as A dot A plus A dot B. Mod A square, A dot B value is equal to 2. So mod A square value is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, sorry. They ask angle between a then angle between A bar and A plus B bar. Okay, this is A dot A plus B. Cos alpha, R means okay, cos x. A dot A plus B is equal to mod A plus B. Angle between this and this one is equal to anything cos x or cos alpha, anything. This value got this value equal to 6. Mod A value how much? 2. And modulus of A plus B. We don't know modulus of A plus B. Therefore, A plus B whole square mod mod a square mod b square 2 times of a dot b. So this value 4 plus 4 plus a dot b. Apply this formula. What is the answer? A dot b value 2 into 2. So this is equal to 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So 12 into cos x. So 6 divided by 2 into 12 is equal to cos x. This is root 12. A plus that implies root 12. Root 12 means 2 root 3. So this value is equal to 2 root 3. 2 into 2 root 3. 2 threes, right? So this is equal to root 3 by 2 cos x. That implies x is equal to 30 degrees. So cos 30 degrees value is equal to 2. Therefore, first option is the correct answer. Next one, 27. A cross B, modulus of A bar cross B bar is equal to 5. And modulus of A bar dot B bar is equal to 3. Then mod A square mod B square value how much? Right? Okay, one formula is there. How to get the answer? Suppose this expand, you get this answer. Expand, you get this answer. Okay. This is for they ask this one. Mod A square, mod B square. This one is equal to 25 plus 9 is equal to mod A square mod B square. 25 plus 9, 34. This is direct form. So 34 is answer. Fourth option is that. Remember this formula important. Sometimes depend on some problems. This formulas. If you expand this one, you get this answer. Right. Next term. Mod A bar is equal to and mod B bar is equal to 7. Then A cross B is equal to given. Then the angle between A bar and B bar. Here A cross B concept is given, so we can apply for this sin theta concept. A cross B, angle between A and B in terms of cross product. A cross B is equal to mod A, mod B, and sin theta used here. You will get answer. 28 to homework. Next one. Area of the parallelogram with A bar and B bar exercise is 20 square units. The area of the parallelogram will having 7a plus 5b and 8a plus 11b as adjacent sides. 29 problem. We know formula area given adjacent sides of the parallelogram. What is area of the parallelogram? Area of the parallelogram adjacent sides A and B. Then area of the parallelogram is A cross B. Use that formula. Here given adjacent sides is 7a bar plus 5b bar plus 5b bar cross product 8a bar plus 11b bar. 8a bar plus 11b bar. Right? Modulus. Total value modulus area of the parallelogram. So inside 7 8 56 A cross A plus 77 A cross B. This is 40 B cross A, 55 B cross B. Right? A cross A value 0. 0 plus 77 A cross B. This can be written as minus of 40 A cross B. Why is counted property not satisfied? also 0. 77 minus 40, 37 a cross modulus of. Already given a cross modulus of a cross value 20 square units. So that implies 20. 370 into 2 is equal to 200. 2 7 14. 4 436. So 740 is correct answer, second option. Next, for any vector a bar 30, for any vector a bar I cross a cross I. Okay, that a bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk caps. I take a elements. That will be take. Then I cross. First of all, find I cross a cross I plus j cross a cross j, k cross a cross k. Value how much? Okay, first of all I cross xi plus yj plus zk into cross, or else apply vector to product. That also okay, no problem. I cross I 0, I j cross I. This is the I cross j, k, j cross k, I, k cross I, j. So apply counter to get minus value. So right, because this minus value. Then j cross I, not there. I cross j is there. So this value is equal to minus k. Minus yk. Next, k cross I, j. So that implies zj. Next, plus j of xi plus yj plus zk into cross j. Right, students? Now is this one. Use that is the sequence. Plus k cross of a means xi plus yj zk cross k. I cross j k, so that implies xk. J cross j 0, k cross j cross j is what I, so k cross j will minus z plus I cross k, here k cross is j, so I cross k minus j, so minus xj. So before this is k cross minus xj. J cross k I y I z k cross k value 0, right? Now I cross k cross I is there, I cross k minus j, minus plus yj. I cross j k plus zk. Next, j cross k I plus xi, j cross I minus into minus plus zj, right. Next k cross j, j cross k I, k cross j value minus into minus plus xi. Next up, k cross I j, so that implies yj. This is yj. So what's it, this one? This one k cross j, so minus, so therefore this okay, I cross j, so xk okay. This one k cross j value, j cross k I, but k cross j minus z I, oh correct, j cross I, so that is minus into minus plus z, right. Once this one xi, two times of xi, yj plus yj, two times of yj, zk plus zk, two times of zk, that implies two times of xi, yj, zk. So this is nothing but a vector, so 2a bar. So answer is the 2a bar. Fourth option is the correct answer. Okay, next problem. A mod b bar and modulus of a plus b is equal to 20 given. Then modulus of a minus b value what? Right? Modulus of a minus b. 31. Modulus of a minus b. So take square. Square means mod a square minus 2 times of a naught. So given above, modulus of a plus b given, expand that from the to find a naught. Modulus of a plus b value given how much? 20. Take for the square and expand to find a naught. And replace here, you get answer modulus of a minus whole square. And take square root of modulus of a minus, you get answer. 31. Do remain. 30. U is equal to a minus b. U bar is equal to a bar minus b bar. B bar is equal to a bar plus b bar, and modulus a is equal to modulus b is equal to 2. Then modulus of u cross b. So first of all find u cross b. What is u cross b? A minus b cross a plus b. A cross a plus a cross b minus b cross a minus b cross b. This value 0, this value 0. A cross b minus, in place of minus, check complementary product are not possible. Therefore, a cross b plus a cross b, that implies 2 times of a cross b. 2 times of a cross b, right? This one to take modulus. Then they are asked for, okay, let's take for square, after something square. U cross b whole square is equal to 4 into a cross b whole square. A cross B whole square. Right. In the above, in previous problem, in problem number 27, apply one formula. A cross B whole square modulus of A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square is equal to mod A square into mod B square into this formula. So from this value is equal to modulus A and modulus B. Modulus A is equal to modulus B is equal to 2. Therefore, this value is equal to 2 square. 4 into 4. So this value take this side minus A dot B whole square. This value is equal to modulus A cross B whole square. Answer in terms of A dot B. So we keep like this only. That implies 16 A dot B whole square. So in place of this one, what we take U cross V modulus square is equal to here 4 16 minus A dot B whole square. We want this one U cross B is equal to then what's 2 times of root of 16 minus A dot B whole square. This is the answer. So which option? Option is first option is the correct answer, right? Next 33. Remember, this is like a formula also. Okay. U cross B. So in terms of U cross B, sometimes they ask P cross Q, P vector, Q vector. This value changes. So generally this value is equal to 2 times of R square minus A dot B whole square. That is the R power 4 formula for 33. Okay. Suppose if you remember this one, so in place of this is equal to R. So therefore, U cross B is equal to 2 times of 2 power 4, 16. That's why R power 4 minus A dot B whole square. This also like a formula. Remember this also. 33. A vector, B vector given orthogonal. Orthogonal means A and B are perpendicular. Perpendicular means A dot B is equal to 0. A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Apply this concept. And modulus A, modulus B also given. You apply these two conditions, this condition and this condition, you get answers lambda and mu value. Do this one. Next one. 34. A minus B whole square. Sorry, A modulus of A minus B only. 34. A, B are unit vectors. Unit vectors is modulus A, modulus B value is equal to 1. Unit vectors. And theta is the angle between A and B. Then modulus of A minus B. I will take for this whole square. Mod A square plus mod A square minus 2 into AB. Mod A square 1 plus 1 minus 2 AB. Modulus of A dot B. A dot B means 1 plus 1 minus 2 into A dot B means mod B cos theta. So 2 minus 2, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 cos theta. Take common 2, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 into 4 sin square theta by 2. What modulus of A minus B. But they ask modulus of A minus B. Modulus of A minus B want. So therefore, modulus of A minus B under square root 2 square cos square theta by 2. This value is equal to 2 cos theta by 2 is the answer. Second option. Okay, sorry, this is sin theta. Second option is correct. 2 sin theta by 2. 35. The projection of A on B. That formula is 35. Projection A on B means A bar dot B bar divided by modulus of B bar. Use this formula. Right. Next one, 36. If A bar and B bar are two non-zero vectors, such that modulus of A dot B is equal to modulus of A cross B. So A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar cross B bar. Then angle between A bar and B bar. Then angle between A bar and B bar. We know dot product formula and A cross product formula. Expand. Mod A, mod B, cos of AB. Let it is sin theta. Mod A, mod B, sin theta. Yeah, now is a zero to vector. That is the equivalent of into is there. Okay. So this one and this one is cancel. Finally, remaining answer cos theta is equal to sin theta. Right? Divided by cos theta. Therefore, sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. Okay. Tan theta is equal to pi by 4. And also, third quadrant, pi plus pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. So, theta is equal to pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. Fourth option is the correct answer. 37. A, B, C vector given, then A cross B. A cross B cross C plus A dot B of C value given. This is vector triple product. This formula A dot C of B minus A dot B of C plus A dot B of C value. So minus of A dot B C plus of A dot B C value cancel. Remaining A dot C of B. So A dot C is the scalar into B vector. We get, so use this formula to find out which option. A dot C scalar and into B. Okay, do that. Next one, 38. Okay, take it. 38. Box of A minus B, B minus C, C minus C, right? So that value is equal to where modulus A is equal to 1, modulus B is equal to 5 and modulus C is equal to 3. Which option is the correct answer? Right? It means that magnitude values given A minus B comma B minus C comma C minus C. We know scalar triple product A dot B cross is equal to box of, this also can be written as A minus B dot A minus B dot B minus C cross C minus C. This type of problems in supplementary letter also is there. Once you look this one. Okay, inside first multiply A minus B dot B cross C minus B cross A minus C cross C plus C cross C. However, this value 0. Then A dot B cross C minus A dot B cross A. This value only take 0 plus A dot C cross A. Next minus B dot B cross C minus into minus plus B dot B cross A minus this one minus to plus minus B dot C cross A. This is box of ABC. This has known it. That value A B two letters. That value 0. This value is 0. This value 0. This value 0. This value 0. This is 0. Remaining BCA. We know the sequence of this one. ABC means A dot BC is the scalar triple product. What is the sequence? Either ABC is equal to BCA is equal to CAB. Is any value same. So ABC plus of BCA both are three values same. Instead of this one, we take ABC. ABC minus ABC, right? Remember this sequence also. ABC, BCA, CAB. like this equals to all values same. So this value and this value is equal to cancel. Answer is 0. Next, volume of parallel pipe 39. Volume of parallel pipe whose edges are represented by A, B, C. So the geometrical scalar triple product also parallel pipe. So that implies volume of parallel pipe is formula is equal to A dot B plus scalar triple product of A vector, B vector and C vector. That implies box of ABC. Box of ABC means determinant of the three vectors. What are the three vectors? 2 minus. So modulus of volume is always positive. Take modulus of determinant. 2 minus 3 1. 1 minus 1 2. 2 1 minus 5 of this determinant value. Cubic units. Okay, do that problem. Area of next to 40, the area of a parallelogram with the diagonals, the area of a parallelogram with the diagonals as, so area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides given is A cross B. Area of parallelogram, adjacent given, adjacent sides is equal to modulus of A cross B. Diagonals given. Diagonals A and B. Suppose diagonals given means formula half times of modulus of A cross B. Right? So use this formula. The area of the parallelogram with the diagonals as A bar and B bar. Half times of A bar and B bar. So like this one.